Hello everyone. So today we are going to make these claws. Okay, this is how it is, and it's a very fun origami activity. Let's get started. Shall we start? Okay. So first take 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters origami paper like this. Now first step is we need to fold this half and match the corners. Okay, again, like I always say, make eye and make the crease. Correct? Open this. Now this corner we need to fold this flap matching to the central line like this, keeping this corner intact. Hold it with the other hand and then make your crease. So fold it, make the squeeze. Now turn it. Same thing we need to do with this flap as well. Fold it in such a way that it touches the central line, and we have to again make this proper crease. Okay, done. This is what we got, right? Now we already have this fold, so fold it like this. Okay, done. Simple till now. Now what we need to do, keep it in such a way that this open side is up, closed side is like this here. Now take this smaller side, this is our longer side, this is our smaller side, and this is our open side, closed side. Correct? Keep it in this way. Take the smaller side, fold it, match this corner like this. Okay, and what we need to do next, we need to fold it around this, right? We need to wrap it around, rather. Match, wrap it around, and this is our last step. Here, this flap which is out, we need to put this flap in this pocket. Got it? In this pocket, put it inside this pocket, and we are done. So simple it is, right? What and how to wear it? This is the open side. Put your finger inside, put it in this side as well, take it inside, and this is how you wear it. Done. Now I have more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually have lots, and 6. Now you can wear it. Put it in this, right? This on this hand, and one I put in my thumb, and here we go. Our claws are ready. Yeah. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.